the formula for changing it back and forth. So
Yeah. Does anyone have a question before I start?
Let me check.
what was that? Do you have a question?
I think it does.
I'm just gonna double check.
All right.
Matt, do you know how to change yards to meters or something like that?
No, but I'll Google it.
No, it's fine.
I think yards to meters. I'm just gonna check anyway. Well, just 1 yard equals 0.9144 meters.
0.9144.
Yeah, 0.911. Sorry, let me just print out.
Just send you on Skype.
Yeah, that's how much it is.
Okay, I'll just make that then. I'm gonna create the yards to meters converter. So can I move on?
Yeah, go for it. I'll just double check. Everything's cool.
Okay. So the first thing they make us do is create two classes. One called conversions, another temperature. I'm gonna create two classes, but this time they will be different. So instead of putting conversions, I'm gonna just call them calculations. So calculations. The next one will be length. Length.cs. Okay, so now let's go back to the task. Hopefully that opens up. Yeah. Okay, so we're now in the presentation. So they gave us all the code we can write down. For theirs, they gave us the methods that we have to use. Because I'm using yards to meters, I'm gonna change the names. So convert yard to m, and then convert m to yard. So this is the conversions, so calculations. Now I'm gonna put the code in. Okay, so for the calculations, they were public double convert yard to m double yards, and then m to yards double meters. Okay. They're giving me an error because I haven't returned anything so far. So apparently 1 yard is 0.9144. So this is what 1 yard equals to. So double meters equals to yards times 0.9144. Return meters. Okay, is that fine? Meters. That's so. Yards is one of those. Okay. So to return on the other one, the yards equals to. Is it just meters divided by that?
I guess so.
I don't even know. Let me write down on paper. So if m equals to y times 0.9, so y will be m divided by. Yeah, that's fine.
Do we have to round it up as well?
Okay, yeah, so to round it up, we have to use math.round and then put the value and then two decimal places. Yeah, so.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's nice. I need to upload.
Yeah. We're given that in the slides as well. I don't think people are looking at the slides. That's the problem. Okay, yeah, you see there? Math.round. Probably
Yep.
couldn't see in a bit.
So you just put the number and then how much you want to round it by on the other side, and that's it.
Okay, so yeah, the methods we get. Yeah, that's fine, we've done this. What's the visibility of a number in result? A number is only visible inside the method, and result is also only visible inside the method. Adding a method, yeah, same thing all over again. What are they? What is this? I think you guys should know this, right?
Well, they'll tell us otherwise.
No, you should know it. And this, where does math come from? Okay, so math.round method comes from the built-in libraries of C#. Yeah, that's it. What type of method is it? The methods. Nice. Same thing, same question. I don't even know why we got to this. Oh well. What next? Write the class for temperature. Remember the anatomy of the class. Purpose of the class temperature to create a temperature object which will be added to a log. Fields, constructors, methods, properties. Okay. Add the following fields. Okay, so for this I'm going to create a count as well, and I'm going to have a yards and meters value, and then a my date as well. So this is the lengths thing. Okay, so count, yards, meters, and my date. Fine. So int count double yards double meters. What was the other one? Alright, date time my date. Let's just call it the date.
Yeah.
I think that was actually the thing. It was. Yeah, it was my date. Okay, so yeah, I've done that. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I didn't put the count as a static variable. Okay. Two methods. Okay, so I need to. Huh? Okay. Private void convert. I'm gonna use this from yards to meters instead of Celsius to Fahrenheit. So convert, private void convert will be a method inside the code. So private void convert so it's a boolean y to c. Public string get output string. So private, no, that was public string output string. Back to the slideshow. So yeah, are the methods? Okay, so if this is true, then do that, else do this. Yeah, it's fine. Then the output string will be
Oh, okay, that's not it.
okay. Probably I have to come back to this. Okay, so convert. So if y2c, you don't have to put equals to true because it's a boolean. So if this value here is true, then it should do this thing first. So calculations. Actually, I'm going to change this to calculate. Calculations dot. Wait, forgot about something. So am I doing yards to? Not yards to C. What am I doing? Y to M. Okay.
Oh, this is annoying because I'm just seeing everything so slowly.
Calculations. Wait, did I put it as doubles? Yes. Public double return. It's not. Am I using the right thing? Calculations dot convert yard to meters. Yeah, convert yard to meters. And then send yards in. It's non-static. I don't think I'm paying attention to the presentation that much, am I?
Hmm.
You should put that in the row.
It's not picking up that method, is it, from calculations?
Yeah.
Like,
It's because I wasn't reading the thing. So
don't you need to like?
it's done. Okay. So else it will do yards equals to calculations dot convert meters to yards, and that'll be meters. Okay, so I essentially did the first part over here. So you assign the temperature in Fahrenheit to the conversion in Celsius, else to the other one. Okay, now I'm going to create an output string that'll say, yeah, length, something like that. Has to be different. So this will return length converted on due date dot to short date string here. Then converted on. Shall I just put meters plus meters, something like this. Notice this is not very helpful, but yeah. Okay, so every time we press it, we'll say length converted on, and then meters, meters, yards, and yards, and yeah. Oh. Presentation now. So I've done this, same thing. Always conversions, the other class we just created. Type of method is get output string. It's a public. Do you know what they mean by type of methods?
What type of method is
The
get
private
outputs?
property.